Welcome to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a bright and savory classic, braised pork belly with pineapple. It's a perfect balance of rich, tender pork with the sweet and tangy burst of fresh pineapple. You'll need 700 grams of pork belly, 300 grams of fresh pineapple, 2 green onions, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced shallot, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. For seasoning, fish sauce, MSG or chicken bouillon powder, sugar, and mushroom powder. Optional. 6 to 7 fresh Thai chilies for extra heat. Time to prep our ingredients. Start with the green onions. Separate the whites and greens and finely chop both. Take about 100 grams of pineapple and mince it very finely. This will melt into the sauce. Cut the rest into bite-sized pieces for a juicy finish. Slice the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Prep complete. And that's the beauty of this dish. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. Now it's time to cook. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high. Add the pork belly and cook, stirring until just firm and lightly browned on the edges. Note: no need to add oil to the skillet. The fat rendered from the pork belly will serve as your cooking oil. Add the minced garlic, shallot, and the white parts of the green onion. Stir fry until fragrant, then sprinkle in the red chili powder. Toss well so every piece of pork is evenly coated. Add the minced pineapple and stir. This adds natural sweetness and helps build a glossy braising base. In Vietnamese cooking, pineapple shows up in braises, stir-fries, soups, and even dipping sauces. Its sweet tart flavor and ability to meld into other ingredients make it incredibly versatile. Pour in enough water to just cover the pork. Add 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder, and 1 teaspoon MSG, or chicken bouillon powder. Bring it to a lively simmer and cook on medium heat. Let the liquid reduce until it thickens and clings to the pork, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. When the sauce is glossy and mostly reduced, add the pineapple pieces. Toss and cook for just 1.5 to 2 minutes, enough to warm through while keeping them juicy, not soft. Like it spicy? Add the fresh Thai chilies now. Turn off the heat and finish with the green onion tops. Wow, simply beautiful. This dish is truly a feast for the eyes. Serve hot with a bowl of steamed rice. Rich, savory, tangy, and just a little sweet. This is braised pork belly with pineapple, the Viet Flavours way. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.